Are you looking for the best smartphone gimbals? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best smartphone gimbals on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Osmo Mobile 6, our choice. First of all, the stabilization on this smartphone and GoPro gimbal is top-notch. It offers 3-axis stabilization, which means that no matter how much you're moving or how bumpy the terrain is, your footage will come out smooth and professional looking. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just capturing some impromptu moments, this gimbal will keep your subject centered and add a cinematic touch to your videos. Another advantage of the Osmo Mobile 6 is its upgraded ActiveTrack 5.0 feature. This allows the gimbal to track subjects with greater accuracy, even if they are obstructed or moving quickly. It can even follow subjects that turn to the side or spin, and the zoom function adjusts seamlessly for continuous tracking. Now, let's talk about some of the disadvantages. One thing I noticed is that the battery life could be better. It does last for a day of shooting, but I would have liked it to last a bit longer. However, this gimbal stabilizer for smartphone does charge quickly, so that's a plus. Dimensions: 10.87 by 3.9 by 4.37 inch, weight, 1.01 pounds, stabilization, 3-axis, max payload, 0.63 pounds. Number 2. Insta360 Flow. Insta360 Flow is designed with creators in mind, and it really shows. It elevates your content creation by providing smooth and shake-free shots. One of the standout features of the Flow is its advanced AI tracking. It uses person re-identification, which means it can follow your subject even if they move out of frame. The Flow also offers a range of useful features. It has different follow modes that allow you to move the camera in specific directions while keeping your subject locked in frame. There's even a panoramic mode for capturing breathtaking landscape shots. And if you're into selfies, the Flow comes with a dedicated selfie stick that allows you to get creative angles without needing another person. Now, let's talk about some downsides. One limitation of the Flow is its limited downward tilt range. This means you can't tilt the gimbal too low before it starts to tilt up. This is due to its design, which is meant to accommodate ultra-wide smartphones. It's a small inconvenience, but worth mentioning. Dimensions: 7.5 by 4.5 by 4 inch, weight, 1.6 pounds, stabilization, 3-axis, max payload, 0.66 pounds. Number 3. Zhiyun Smooth 4. Zhiyun Smooth 4 is definitely one of the best cell phone gimbals out there when it comes to helping you create those smooth and professional-looking videos. It's lightweight and easy to use, which is a big plus. Now, let's talk about the cool features of this gimbal. One of my favorites is the intelligent object tracking. You can select a subject on the ZY Play app, and the gimbal will automatically follow it with the camera, keeping it centered on your screen. This is a major improvement over the older model, which would often lose focus. Now, most of the functions of this gimbal are tied to the app, which can be a bit frustrating at times. Especially if you're an Android user, because let's face it, the app tends to crash quite often on those devices. So, that's something you need to keep in mind. Dimensions: 11.6 by 4.13 by 12.91 inch, weight, 1.1 pounds, stabilization, 3-axis, max payload, 0.46 pounds. Number 4. Feiyutech Vimbal 3. One of the standout features is its impressive image stabilization. For its price, it does an amazing job of ensuring your videos come out smooth and professional looking. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, making it super easy to carry around in its handy storage bag or even slip into your pocket for on-the-go video recording. I also love that it comes with a mini tripod base and an extension rod, giving you even more versatility in capturing different angles and shots. And with the maximum load capacity of 0.57 pounds, it can handle most smartphones, including the latest iPhones, even with protective cases. But I should note that the app requires a Bluetooth connection to operate, so make sure you have a stable connection for the best experience. Additionally, while the Vimbal 3 is compatible with most smartphones, there may be some rare compatibility issues with certain models, so be sure to check before purchasing. Dimensions: 2.5 by 6.9 by 4.5 inch, weight, 0.85 pounds, stabilization, 3-axis, max payload, 0.57 pounds. Number 5. Home iSteady Mobile Plus. Let's start with the advantages of this cell phone gimbal. First off, its battery life is absolutely impressive, lasting up to 12 hours. This means you can film all day without worrying about running out of power. Plus, the gimbal operates quietly, which is a huge bonus when you're trying to capture clean audio for your videos. The simple controls make it easy to adjust settings and switch between capturing photos and videos. And let's not forget about the phone line carrying case, which is perfect for keeping your gimbal safe while on the move. However, like any product, the Home iSteady Mobile Plus does have its downsides. One issue is that balancing your phone on the gimbal can be a bit tricky, especially when switching between landscape and portrait mode. Additionally, the app interface can be a little confusing at first, with some functions hidden in menus that require exploration. Dimensions: 13.3 by 5.8 by 2 inch, weight, 1.09 pounds, stabilization, 3-axis, max payload, 0.62 pounds.